Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Yuli.
And today we're going to be drawing a chibi Batman. If you have any comments or suggestions, don't forget to put them in the box below. Should we get started? Let's begin. And about 2/3 up about here in the middle, we're going to draw like a black oval.
Here.
Yeah, and it's going to be a squashed oval, so it's going to be longer this way than that way. Okay, so
not all the way there.
So I'm going to kind of do a bit of a curve there, and a bit of a curve
Can
there.
I just do it?
Yep. And I'm just going to join up like that.
Is that good?
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Now, just a little bit lower than halfway, we're going to draw a straight line like that.
Here.
Yep. And then I'm going to do a curved line on that side and a curved line on that side. So it kind of looks a bit like a slice of lemon or something. Okay, and at the corners of this...
Like a watermelon.
Yeah, or like a watermelon, that's a much better way of describing it. So I'm going to do a diagonal line that way and a diagonal line that way. And then I'm going to join the ends up with a curve like that. Okay, and now I'm going to do the mouth. Now I'm going to make him a bit grumpy, but you can make,
him happy?
You can make him happy, of course. So I'm going to draw a straight line like that. And then I'm just going to put like a little dimple underneath there.
Is that good?
Yeah, that looks great. So just about from that line, I'm going to draw another curved line running alongside like that. And then on this side, I'm going to do a curved line pointing off to the right. On this side, I'm going to do a pointy line going off to the left, like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that point and I'm going to bring it all the way around so it joins back up. So it's going round like that. And then it's going to go round and
That
join
more
up
looks like
that.
a cat.
It does look a bit like a cat. So it depends which Batman you like. Sometimes Batman's got small ears and sometimes he's got very big pointy ears. It depends on who's drawing him. Okay, so just underneath the chin, just down here, I'm going to do like a little V shape. So I'm going to do a V like that.
Here?
Yep. And I'm just going to thicken it up like that. Okay. And then from here, I'm going to do a diagonal line that way and a diagonal line that way, like that. So you see, so there's a diagonal line either side. And then I'm going to do a little bit there and a little bit there.
Oh, it looks like a bat.
Okay, now it looks like a bat. So I'm going to do some lines like that, kind of trying to go to that V. Yeah, it's not connected. I need to correct that. And then from here, I'm going to do another one like that. And then let's do another one there.
Where?
So we've got like 3. And then we'll just join those up with zigzags like that.
Down.
You done? Okay, and then I'm just going to cover it in black.
All of it?
Yeah, so those are the wings of the bat logo.
But then what was the point of doing the line?
Just to guide us, so I knew exactly where to put it. Okay, so now we've got to do his cape. So I'm going to do a diagonal line coming off from under the chin, off over this way. So kind of like that. And then I'm going to do it. So it's just touching the tips of the wings. And I'm going to do another diagonal line that way, like that. Okay? Now see where the V is? We're going to put his belt in. So I'm going to do a straight line across like that. And then just below it, I'm going to do another straight line like that. So on his utility belt, it's got a big buckle and then he's got like little pockets and pouches. So I'm going to do that's the belt buckle, and then I'm going to do some little lines along like that.
Why do you think he has like pants underneath?
Why does he have pants on top of his tights?
Instead of like trousers.
No, I think he's got trousers. I think he just has his pants on over the top of his trousers.
So like the tights are like the pants.
Yeah, he's got it on the wrong way round. Normally you're supposed to put your pants on, then put your tights on over the top, not put your tights on first and then put pants on it.
Yeah, that's weird.
Okay, so see the edge of that belt? I don't even want to think about it. Okay, so See here where that line is? I'm going to join it up with a slightly curved line like that. Okay. And then, see that line? I'm going to sort of curve in for his hips. So I'm going to do a curve like that.
Okay.
And then on this side, I'm going to do a curve like that. Okay. And now this is going to be your fun bit.
Oh.
So going down from that belt buckle to about there, make a little dot.
It looks funny.
Yeah,
It's
you've got a
I'm a
dot.
little girl.
Okay, and then we're going to do a diagonal line that way. And a diagonal line that way. And that's
Looks like a
his
penguin
underpants.
It looks like a penguin can just slide down
A
there.
penguin, yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
so
the penguin.
we're going to do a straight line in the middle like that.
Why is it longer?
Okay, because we're going to reach the feet. Okay, that's why it's longer than on either side. So I'm going to do like a triangle here, but it's going to be curved. Okay, so
Did
it's
your
going to
Batman have
curve
an
like that, and
Did
it's
your
going to.
Batman have an injury on its neck?
I don't know. Wait till we finish, and then we'll see. Okay, so
Let's see if you can.
yeah, you've done that, and then
Yeah.
I'm going to do a curve that way, and a curve that way, and then I'm kind of going to do the boots. So I'm going to kind of go in, up, and
Like
then
that?
in, like that. Yep, that's good.
Can he fly?
Yes, you can fly.
But then how?
So you do some little lines for the details of the boots,
Do
like
also
that. So sort of
do
like
you see-
zigzags.
do all
like that.
superheroes have mothers and dads? Or are
Um,
they an orphan mostly?
Superman's an orphan, isn't he?
Is he?
Yeah, his parents died when his home planet exploded.
Then who's looking after him?
Spider-Man's an orphan because he's looked after his aunt and his uncle, isn't he? Yeah, and quite a lot of them seem to be orphans. I hadn't really thought about that. Okay, so we're going to do his hands now. So see, sort of halfway down the thigh, so about here.
I know a few
I'm gonna do
superheroes
a
that do
curve.
definitely have parents.
Which ones?
The Incredibles.
Yeah, because
Yeah, because
their
the
parents
children
are superheroes. Yeah.
and the children are superheroes, and they're
Yeah.
still and the parents are still alive because they have to look after them.
Look after them. Yeah. Okay, so see where those curves are? I'm going to do a curved line going that way
Why do they need
and a
gloves?
curved line going that way. Pardon?
Why do they need gloves?
Why does he have gloves? I think these little spikes are where he has his little throwing like boomerangs.
I've run out of space over
That's
here.
all right, don't worry. So we're going to do 1, 2 like that,
Just do that.
and then I'm going to join it up to the body. So we're going to join that up like that, and then
I tried
just
to
a
squeeze it
that's
in.
okay, don't worry. And at a diagonal angle, we're going to put a line there and a line there for the gloves.
I
for the
can't. I can
gauntlets,
barely fit it
okay?
in.
So the next thing, you see where the hands are?
Yeah.
Just go down a little bit and put a dot there. And on this one, go down a bit and do a dot. Okay, you got that? So then we're going to do a
think
curve that joins there.
I don't think it's a good
Right,
idea to
curve
have a
joins there.
cape because if it was a windy day or it could fly, not to have it too long because it could just get caught and they could just
It could get caught, yeah.
so.
But Batman uses it as like a glider, doesn't he? He's got a special cape that allows him to glide. So just see where that dot is. Just move along, put another dot there, and along here, we're going to put another dot there, like that. And then we're going to do a curve that joins up.
I'm done.
You've done that bit? Fantastic. Okay. So, see this line here? We kind of want it to join up to there. Like that. And this line here.
Done. I've already done it.
We want it to join
I've already
up.
done it.
Okay. Yeah, well now we've got to do a curve that joins up like that. And a curve that joins up
Easy.
like that. You done that? And then we
Yeah.
just need to do the folds. So we do a little fold there, and a little fold there. And if you want, I'm going to just add like a little bit of detail. So I'm going to join that curve to this bit, like that.
Do I need to?
No, not if you don't want to. I'm going to join that one to there. And then I'm going to join, see the tip of the ear? I'm going to join the tip of the ear, like that.
That looks more like a cat.
Okay, like that. Okay. Right, so now it's time to start colouring it in. Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. That's fantastic. Oh yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to receive notifications, hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.
Babu.